guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to share a Rachel Green makeup look from season 2. I'm starting with an eyeshadow primer. I wouldn't skip this step if you have an oily eyelids or hooded eyes. Rachel has these very thin 90's eyebrows, but because I'm not prepared to plug them for this video, I will just define them with this ultra precise eyebrow pencil with concealer and with brushing them in a way that they look as thin as possible. For this look I found a nice cheap drugstore palette from Catrice. Most of the shades are matte and because of that pretty much perfect for Rachel's look. Now I'm swiping across the eyelid with white matte color sheer instead of translucent powder. Next I'm blending on the crease bright taupe color Cozy. This one is going to be just a transitional shade. Because for this look it's very important to blend everything very well so you don't get any patchiness later on. On the outer corner I'm placing Nougat. It's a charcoal black, which is quite good for this look because we want to slowly build the color until we are satisfied and until everything looks soft enough. Now I'm going back in with a clean brush to again blend out the harsh edges. On the center of my eyelid, I'm adding some more white matte eyeshadow. And I'm gently swiping it into a crease. Then I'm repeating the steps until I'm satisfied with the intensity. So the whole Rachel makeup look is pretty much matte. Because of that I'm moving to the concealer that I like to use anyway, that has more kind of matte finish. But it's not too matte or too dry for my dry skin. If you are searching for a good cheap matte foundation, this one is quite popular. Most of the time I'm mixing in a bit of my moisturizer to get more dewy look. Now I'm applying this foundation pretty much everywhere with a circular motions. I'm buffing it in as well on my forehead, neck and ears. To set my base I'm topping it with translucent powder. Under my eyes I'm using my smaller brush and over my whole face I like to use big fluffy brush with which I like to tap on the product. Rachel has more warm complexion, almost bronzed, and I found this blush that could be a bronzer for pale skin because it's not too orange and I'm using it as I would use a bronzer. So across cheeks, forehead, nose, chin and a little bit on my neck. But it looks like that throughout the series she has at least most of the time red cheeks. So I'm adding this red blush from Sleek palette on high points of my cheeks. Then I'm going back to the eyes with the same charcoal black, but this time on my lower lash line. For my eyeliner I chose Merlot red color. It looks like this could be the same shade that they used on her. I'm massaging it into an eyelashes around my eyes and on my upper waterline. Then I'm blending it slightly with small dense brush. And you shouldn't forget about this very 90's trick to use a highlighter under an arch of a brow. I use the same white matte color as I did before. At this point you could go in with very natural fake eyelashes, but I'm continuing with my trusted mascara from Essence, and this one doesn't flake or smudge, and it's also very, very cheap. At the end, I decided to add a shade Amethyst from the same palette as before on the crease to tie in the whole eye look with an eyeliner and to get even more grungy glam 90s look. I'm lining my lips with lip-like color, and then I'm blending two shades of lipstick together. One is more brown and the other is more kind of a plum color. You can add each as you please. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And if you want to be notified on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, subscribe and click on the bell. Have a lovely day.